welcome to my craft room. I'm Leo from inkymemories.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in South Wales, and today on this Tip Tuesday video I'm going to be talking to you about the best way to get the most out of your crafting budget. So if you regularly have a wish list that looks a little something like this whenever you see a new catalogue, this video is definitely for you. The best way to get the most out of your budget is to join Stampin' Up as a demonstrator and buy the starter kit. Now the kit itself is £99 and that includes free shipping, but you get to choose £130 of product from any current or pre-order catalogues. So if you have a very long wish list that looks very similar to this and you want to get more of your wish list for less, keep watching and I'll talk you through more about what becoming a demonstrator actually means. So as I said, the starter kit costs £99 and you get to choose £130 worth of products to put into your starter kit. So you get to choose anything that you want. There is no set kit that you are given as part of joining Stampin' Up. So if you already have a trimmer and you've got lots of adhesive and snips and stamps, you can pick, say, cardstock or ink pads. You can pick stamp sets and dies or punches. If you don't have a lot of cardstock and ink, you can just pick those to go into your starter kit. It really is entirely up to you on whatever products you want to choose, which means it's really customizable and you can adapt it based on the products that you already have. As I said, you do get free shipping on your starter kit. So for the £99, you get your £130 worth of products that you've chosen. It gets delivered to your door completely free of charge. And you also do get a bundle of business supplies. So that will include catalogues. So any current catalogues will be included. You'll get an 8-pack of each of the catalogue. You'll also receive things like customer order forms and guest invite postcards. But again, you don't have to use those. If you choose not to sell as a demonstrator, which you're absolutely free to do, you don't have to do anything as a demonstrator. It is entirely your choice. You can just keep the catalogues for yourself, maybe give them to any crafty friends or family members that you have in case they want to have a look. But if you do choose to sell, you have that pack of business supplies included as well to help you get started. So what does being a demonstrator give you? So first of all, and I think the biggest thing, is you get 20% discount on any products that you order going forwards, and that can be again from current catalogues. You get to take part in pre-orders from new catalogues as they start to launch, so that discount starts off at 20% and it can go up to 25% as you work through the compensation plan with Stampin' Up. And similarly, if you do sell products to any of your friends or family members, if you have crafty friends, you will earn a 20 or 25% commission on anything that you sell that they order through you. So again, you don't have to sell, but the option is there for you if you want to. So when I say you don't have to sell, that's literally what I mean. Being a demonstrator is entirely your choice and how you choose that you want to do it. So there are some people that join literally just to get a great discount on their own crafting supplies. They don't sell to anyone, they just buy things that they like from Stampin' Up and have that great discount on those products. There are people that run their own businesses entirely online, so doing YouTube or online tutorials, selling through social media and things like that. They don't see anyone sort of face to face as part of their business, but they manage to earn money that way. There are people that hold in-person classes or workshops. If that's something that you wanted to do, I've done it myself quite a few times. I've had friends and family around my craft room table in a time where we were able to do things like that, and sort of gathered and crafted with friends and family, which is a lovely way to sort of craft together and gather, and definitely something that you could do. But again, you don't have to. It is entirely your choice. So some of the other things that you get as part of being a demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and there is a long list, I definitely can't go through all of them here today, but let's go over the major ones. So you get a competitive compensation plan. Like I said, if you do choose to sell, you will earn that 20 or 25% income on anything that you do sell, and there are also volume rebates available, so once you reach a certain amount of sales in a month, you'll start to earn extra from that. There are different tiers or sort of levels within the organisation as well, so as you progress in sales, leadership, building your own team and so on, there are different levels that you can earn, and there are different rewards as part of doing that. There are lots of resources from Stampin' Up directly for running your business if you choose to do it in that way. So there's a whole video library on their website talking you through all of the different sort of facets of Stampin' Up, how to run workshops, how to put together project tutorials, all kinds of different things. And they also give you creative resources as well. So you'll receive a weekly email direct to your mailbox with lots of inspiration. You get regular project examples and tutorials, including images for social media and things like that, if that's what you want to do. So you get lots and lots of resources and assistance from Stampin' Up in running your business. Joining Stampin' Up as a demonstrator through my team means you'll get a couple of extra benefits as well. First of all, I'll be sending out to you this recruit pack. Now this is just an example of some of the things that will be included. So it'll be full of lots of helpful information about Stampin' Up, the compensation plan, the company, different products that we carry and how to use them and things like that. There will also be a couple of other little treats directly from me that I like to keep as a surprise for when you join up. You will get to join my private Facebook group where I share lots of helpful information, promotions that are coming up with Stampin' Up, things that I've heard, news articles, things like that to help you in your business or just to keep you updated on the latest crafting news. I run quarterly team meetings, whether that be in person or if necessary over the internet, depending on how things go over the next year. And I'm also always available for help and advice however you want to be a demonstrator. So whether you just want to buy products for yourself with a discount, I'm always happy to bounce ideas off if you are not quite sure what to buy. Hint, everything, then get in touch and I'll be more than happy to help you out with that. Or if you want some examples on how to use YouTube, set up cameras, I can probably help with that too. So once you've purchased your starter kit, you've got your big box full of new goodies home, what else do you need to do? Well, the simple answer to that is nothing. There is nothing more that you need to do. If that's all you want, if you just want to get £130 worth of products and pay only £99 for it, then that's the end of it. At the end of your quarters, you will simply be a drop demonstrator. Your products are yours to keep, and that's it. If you do decide to carry on, whether that be as a hobby demonstrator, just buying products with a discount, or running this as a business for you, then there is a low minimum that you need to meet every quarter, which is 300 CSV. Now this is just a normalized figure that Stampin' Up use across all markets to ensure that the same level of spending or sales is required for everyone. Now in the UK, currently taking sort of the CSV factor into account, that's roughly £270 worth of products, which is roughly £225 after your discount. So not a huge amount, and like I said, that is per quarter. There are Stampin' Up quarters run from January to March, April to June, July to September, and October to December. Depending on which month you join, you will have the rest of that current quarter and then the next quarter to meet your minimum. So for example, if you joined now in December, December would be your free quarter and you would need to be meeting your minimums by the end of March. I hope this video has given you a little bit of an insight into Stampin' Up and being a demonstrator with the company, and also what you can get out of it if you do want to shop for less, or even make this a side hustle for yourself. If you are interested and you have any questions, if you want any more information on joining and what's involved and what you get, then please do let me know. I'll pop a link in the description box below to the web form on my website where you can pop questions over to me. I'll be happy to help you out with that. If you're ready to sign up, fantastic. I can't wait to welcome you to my team. There will be another link in the description box below for you, directly to the online sign up process where you get to pick out the products that you want, provide all of your details to Stampin' Up and join the family. I can't wait to welcome you to my team of Inklings and get you started on your journey with Stampin' Up. Thank you for joining me today. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my craft room again soon. Bye bye.